Have you ever wanted to send an email but you didn't know where to start from? In this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how you are going to send an email using your Gmail. All you need is Gmail account and a web browser. If you have your Gmail open, then we are ready. If not, go to gmail.com and sign in. Alright, to get started, look at the left top of your screen, click on Compose. There will be a pop-up window at the bottom right of your screen. This is your email writing box. So you see we have to and subject. Now you click inside the box that says to and type the recipient's address. Make sure you type it correctly. One wrong mistake, it won't reach the recipient. Click on the subject box and type a short title for your email. Example, a meeting tomorrow, or hello from me. Now this tells the reader what your email is about before they even open it. Click the big white space below your subject and start typing your message. Write whatever you want to say. Greet the person, share your news, or ask your question. So I have drafted some email here as example. So you see the greetings, then I share whatever I want to say, and then I put my details below. After you are done, when you are happy with your email, click on the blue send button below your email. Instantly, your message will be sent, and you see a message here said message sent. If you want to send your email to more than one person, just type the email address, and after each one you press enter. So let me add another email address here. Then let me add the third one. So I have 3 email addresses in my to box. So now I can send it to all these 3 people just by clicking on send. It will go to all of them individually. In case you make a mistake, you can click on the cancel or the close button at the top right corner of your screen to unsend or without sending your message. You just click here to close everything. Now all that I have to do is to click on the blue send button below my email, and the message will instantly be sent to the 3 people I have selected. You can find your sent email in the sent folder on the left side of your screen. To see whether my message, you have to go to the sent. To do that, just click on sent here, and that message will be the one in the first row. So click here and you see your message that have been sent there. And that is it. We just sent our first email, and it is that very simple. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials. See you in our next video.